Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV. Ask you to play breaking news and events
See.
So what was the conversation about? It's been over 2 hours.
The conversation with the president?
Yes.
Well, I mean, he has a country to run. And then for us, we have to support him. And we have to let him know that he has started well. And he has the support of the generality of the people.
Did you discuss the issue of fuel subsidy?
Yes, we discussed it. It's something that is on top of the public discourse right now. And we know it's a tough decision for the people, and it needs the support of everybody to see this through.
So what about the ministerial list? We understand one of you has been appointed.
Who is that? Nobody's been
No
appointed.
information about that?
No.
Any plan to switch over to APC?
No plan?
No plan.
No plan?
Not never to be in the office.
So this is just a thank you or welcome visit?
We are Nigerians. The governor has told you we are Nigerians and we have come to give you support. That's what's required. So there's no big deal about it. The governor has told you what to do.
Yes, sir.
To give you support.